Hello, this video has been created by NDIS staff for the YouTube channel NDIS Provider Portal. In this video, we'll show you how to increase a service booking. In order to increase a service booking, we do need you to request the participant to log into their participant portal to increase. So let's say you're providing therapy services to a participant, or any services for that matter, and the booking has run out of funds. You want to continue services, which is totally acceptable. You can ask the participant to log into their portal and increase it. So if we just skip a few slides, this is a screenshot from the participant portal, and we've got a service booking for consumables here for $30 at the moment. We can increase that to a higher amount or even decrease it to a low amount if need be. So if you request the participant to increase it to $5 or $50, they need to click submit. The next step in the process is for you to log back into your provider portal and then review the change of the service booking. So if you find the service booking for the participant, it should come up as review change in the status. So what you need to do is click on the service booking reference number here, and then you'll be able to see accept or decline button. If you accept it, the status of the service booking will become active. If you reject it, it will say rejected. Once it's become active, you'll be able to view the service booking details like normal and the new higher amount. Most participants don't know they can do this in the portal, so if you can advise them or ask them to increase the service booking, that would be greatly beneficial to them, providers, and the NDIS. Thank you for watching.